Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, as I said previously, and if you don't know, I started a second tennis only YouTube channel called Streetwise Tennis, and I made a short video about starting it and my theory that my tennis content was being held back by the algorithm on my Hex Tennis channel, this channel, because I have so many different random videos going on and the algorithm doesn't really recommend my tennis content because it doesn't know who my target audience is and it just doesn't push videos. So started a new channel experiment, so let's look at what's going on. So far, long story short, my theory and idea is proving to be correct, and let's see why. So I started this channel from zero, from nothing, September 1st, and we went through the months of September and we're at October 9th here in the stats. So this is actually the morning of October 11th. So far, 23.6 thousand views. YouTube has recommended my videos, especially one little viral video here, 265,000 times for a total of, I forget how many videos, we'll find out later, but it's probably like 10 to 12 videos. And the impression click-through rate is pretty high. If you're hitting 10%, anywhere near 10% of impressions click-throughs, then you're doing good. The average view duration depends on the video. So let's look at overview. So you got 26K, impressive watch time in hours, and I'm sitting at 81 real-time subscribers. This is awesome because these are subscribers that are watching my videos and they're subscribing. They subscribe from a few shorts and they're subscribing from my long-term content. And this is my last 48 hours of views, which is awesome. It's coming mostly from one video that has picked up steam. And I say picked up steam because at first it was doing nothing. So it's this video here I made of Novak serving volleys from the US Open. And when I first uploaded this video, which is September 19th, so basically mid-September, and it was not doing much. Well, let's go right to the video. Let's see the performance of this video. Okay, so I uploaded it on the 19th, the 20th, we got 20 views. Then we got the 21st, then all of a sudden from 20 views, it stepped up to 248. And over here, I was seeing some action. Then at 1,000, 1,200 views, it started to level off. And I was like, okay, so YouTube pushed it a little bit and it's got some views and then it leveled off. So I figured that's as good as it's going to get. I was a little disappointed because I feel that that's a video that should do well, but it's a new channel. YouTube algorithm is learning who my target audience is because of the several videos I put out before, and I'm trying to teach it who to push my channel to, who to recommend it to. So when it died off at 1,200, I was like, oh, that's not too bad. That's pretty good, even though I think the video should have done better. So now we're in the 5th day, and I get a little rise. Now we got a steady rise here, and I see the numbers going up. We're in day 7, day 8. I'm hitting plus 3,000. I hit 4,000. This is great. The subs are coming in. The watch time is gaining. The views are gaining. This is what I'm looking for, a steady climb. And I'm like, yes. Why is this happening? Because they're recommending my video more. So you could tell down here where of my views, how viewers found my video down here. YouTube recommendations, 95.4% and 20,000 views. And it's from YouTube Home. So when you open up your YouTube and you're looking at your home page, or when you click on a tennis related video, up next, I got nice 2.1, that's 457. And people searching weren't really searching for Novak Djokovic volleys, because he really doesn't do too many volleys. So who would search that? 1.5%. Notifications was pretty decent, because they're notifying my small sample of view of subscribers. But these subscribers want tennis content. They join this channel for tennis content. There's no other reason to join this channel other than tennis content. That's why niching down on narrower is helping the algorithm build this channel. There's no doubt about it in my mind now. And I think of all the wasted time I spent uploading on my random video channel, and just changing the name to Hex Tennis doesn't help. I think name doesn't matter too much. It's all about titles of your content. Be consistent with your content, uploading consistently. And I'm not even uploading that consistently. I could be more aggressive with uploads, but I'm letting the algorithm soak in what I upload, and I give it time before I throw another video on top and compete with my own videos. So it's steadily climbing. We're in day 13, steadily climbing. I'm thinking, oh, it's going to hit 10K. This is good. This is a steady climb, and this could be evergreen content. This could go on for weeks. This climb, it could go on for a year or several years. And as Novak does well in his career, this video can be recommended more. It could have multiple spikes. So we're at 17 days after the first upload and steady climb. Then you see the spike here. Then it really, something triggers. I don't know what happens. Maybe the amount of comments. I'm getting some comments, not a lot. Maybe a lot of likes. I'm engaging with each comment. That's what you got to do. So we're going for it. It's shooting up, and it's going straight up. So day 19, I'm gaining 500-600 subs a day, shooting up. Now it starts to level off. Now it's still on the path up, but you can see it's starting to level off. And 21K on one viral video on my new channel is amazing, because the watch time, the subscribers, that's more than half of the subscribers on my channel, 81, coming from this one video. So these are Novak Djokovic fans, tennis fans. So it would make sense for me to keep Novak Djokovic theme and the type of video, even though it's not eligible for monetization. But right now I'm focused on building watch hours and subscribers to reach monetization, and I'm going to pepper in my original content, and it's going great. So let's see the reach. So this video, they've shown it to 232,000 impressions. Click-through rate is awesome. Anytime you get near 10%, you're golden. So from these impressions, 207 with a 7.8 click-through rate, that translates into views from impressions. So if somebody watched a video of the US Open with Medvedev or Djokovic, on that same page, this video was recommended, and the thumb, which I think is a pretty snazzy thumb here, won the click. And when they clicked it, they stayed to watch. So this is why YouTube says this video is doing well, there's engagement, there's high click-through rate, the impressions are good, we're going to keep showing it and recommending it, which is what you want. This is basically how you play the game of YouTube. It's not all about making the best video or the greatest video. It's that keeps people watching and subscribing, but you first have to win the click, and in order to drive traffic, drive views, and win those clicks, you kind of give the algorithm what it wants, and teach it. And once it learns, then your channel goes into a snowball effect and starts rolling on its own, builds momentum, and that's a great thing. So I'm just amazed that with the few videos that I've done and that I migrated over from this channel, it's going well. So that's my update, 30-day plus update on my new tennis channel, and it's going fantastic. And if you haven't gone over there yet and you came to Hex Tennis for tennis content, please come, share your subscription, make a comment. I'll be doing tennis content at Streetwise Tennis. So thanks for watching. Hope you learned something a little bit about my experiment with YouTube. Still learning something every day, and hopefully this helps out. If it did, give me a like and a comment, and subscribe here, and subscribe at my Streetwise Tennis. Thanks for watching.